Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Ellen Wille Icone in Champagne Rooted. Can't wait to show you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram. I have lots of content there at Crazywiglady on Instagram that I don't have here. So be sure to follow me over there. Alright, I purchased this wig with my own funds from wigstudio1.com. There will be a link in the drop down box below. So I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to unbox this, but before we do that, I want to tell you I am wearing Ellen Wille Eclat in the color Bernstein Mix. Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I have a review on it on my YouTube channel, and I will link it below as well. Okay, let's have a look at Ellen Wille Icone in Champagne Rooted. Beautiful boxing as always with Ellen Wille. Part of the Hair Society collection. Alright, it does not have a net on it. I'm just opening this too. Let's see. Oh wow, it is beautiful. Hand-tied cap. Show you that. They always do such a nice job with these. It is a partially hand-tied cap, and the reason I say that, you see this is wefted, covered with the mesh, but wefted in the back. Oh wow, beautiful lace front. Goes all the way into the ear tabs. Now let's see. Not a lot of stretch here. Mono top. Make sure you get a good look at that. It has closed ear tabs. It has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. You have a look there. Very nice. Okay, in this color. Just have a quick look at it. Champagne Rooted. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, I'm going to shake it first, as always. Try it on. See how it fits. Okay, this fits me a tad large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits me a little large. Wow, this is beautiful. I like this style. A little bit longer style. It looks like it's very layered. Has some face framing layers here. This is beautiful. Oh, these fibers. So soft. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Very soft, beautiful, longer fibers, longer length here. Like I said, you can see it has these face framing layers. Sleek. Of course, it has a large mono top. It is a hand-tied cap, so there's no permatease here. Let's see a fit. There's my bow hair. Has a nice fit. You can barely see it there. I would not even bother shading that in. That's not enough to even see or be concerned with. I like that it does have this shorter layers around the face. Lots of movement here. Really pretty. Okay, Champagne Rooted, blended shade. All these different blonde shades in Champagne Rooted. You can see platinum running through here, medium blonde. There's also a touch of honey blonde in here, and some beige blonde. So you have all types of blondes, which I think makes up this beautiful color, Champagne Rooted. I will insert some outdoor footage so you can see how it looks in outdoor lighting as well. And it has the root, which is not too stark at all in my opinion. Beautiful rooting. Okay. Nice style, Ellen Wille Icone. Now the specs of this, the front is 4 inches. Now you could cut a bang into this. I think it'd be adorable with the bang if you wanted just a straight bang. Easily done, because like I said, there's no permatease, so you could easily cut a bang into here. The front's 4, the crown is 9½ on this one. The sides are 9, so it's nice, has a nice length, and the nape is 5, and it only weighs 3.2 ounces. I want to give you another close-up look at the inside of the cap. Large, beautiful monotop. Again, lace front all the way into the ear tabs. Hand-tied cap, partial hand-tied cap. Here's the wefting, as we talked about earlier, in the back. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, closed ear tabs with stays. And like I said, there's not a lot of stretch here, but this did fit me a little large, and I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. And another look at this beautiful color. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. This was a fun review to make. I enjoy these unboxings. If you do too, please leave me some comments below, and I always love to interact with you. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.